Hello students, today we will do an interesting topic called symmetry. You can see on this slide we have a beautiful blue and white color design. It is actually a repeated pattern of circles. Circles are kept one beside the others and we can see it as beautiful pattern of flowers or beautiful pattern of circles kept together. Now let us understand what is symmetry. Symmetry is having one side that is exactly mirror of the other side, just like the wings of the butterfly. They are exactly mirror images of each other. The dotted line in between is the line of symmetry, and this dotted line is dividing the butterfly into exactly identical images or mirror images. And basically a line of symmetry divides a symmetrical shape in half. Like the three figures shown, there can be one or more line of symmetry for any particular figure, and there can be asymmetric images also. Like for example, the alphabets S and P are non-symmetrical figures. H can be divided by two lines of symmetry. A can be divided by one line of symmetry which is vertical. E can be divided by one line of symmetry which is horizontal. So a symmetrical line or line of symmetry divides any image into exactly two equal halves. Now let us see an example of pentagon. Pentagon has 5 sides, and line of symmetry says that it is a line that divides the figure into two parts such that when the figure is folded along the line, the two parts of the figure coincide. Means when you fold the figure, it should overlap each other or coincide each other. So first line of symmetry is the vertical line. It is dividing the pentagon into two. Second line is also dividing it into two equal halves. Third, fourth and fifth line. So in a pentagon there are 5 lines of symmetry, each of which is dividing the figure into two equal halves. So now let us see, if we are given one half of the figure, how do we draw the other half? For this we can imagine that suppose if we keep a mirror in front of the image, what will be the reflection in the mirror? What will be the mirror image in that of that figure? That is how we draw the other part of the symmetrical half. For first figure here, you can see it appears to be like an alphabet A. So when we complete it, the figure will look like this. And the second figure is a horizontal line of symmetry. One side, lower side is exactly replica of the upper side. Similarly for alphabet A, left side is exactly replica of the other side. Next we see tiling patterns. These are designs that are made using tiles. The designs that fit into each other without any gaps or overlaps. These we see on our floors, on the walls and in various other places. We can see that we have different shapes of tiles, different colors of tiles, which put together give us tiling patterns. Now let us see one more type of pattern, and it is a very decorative pattern which we use during our festive seasons. These are also similar images, symmetrical images or patterns using symmetrical designs. You can see these are Rangoli patterns which we use and for decoration in our houses during our festivals. These have geometrical shapes and these are repeating, and they have the similar color also. So the basic idea of pattern using symmetry is that same color, same shape are actually repeated or to form a pattern. So these are beautiful Rangoli patterns. Now there is one more activity which we will be discussing in through another video. This is called paper cutting activity. For with paper cutting also we can make symmetrical patterns. Very beautiful paper cutting patterns you can see. So all in all, we have seen that patterns are everywhere. We just have to observe and enjoy the beautiful creations. Thank you.